Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a short mini tutorial showing you guys how to make these cute little PASTELOWEEN mini brooms. I know there are tons of videos out there, but I still wanted to make one for my channel. I thought I had one, but I guess not. So I wanted to make one with you guys and show you how easy these are. So let me show you the ones that I've made so far. And they're super cute for your little PASTELOWEEN projects. You can add these to your memory decks cards, to your pocket letters, to anything you want, just your mail in general. So there's that one. And I have this cute little black one. And then we have this one. Another little black one with a pink bow. These are so cute, you guys. I absolutely love them. Look at that. So those are the ones that I've made so far. And all you need is some crepe paper in your PASTELOWEEN colors. I should have made in purple. I totally forgot to do that. And of course, you're gonna need some straws or some popsicle sticks, whatever you want. I have made some with some popsicle sticks, like this one right here. So it's really up to you. And then of course, I put little pom-poms on top of mine. You don't have to do that. You can leave it bare up top, but I think the pom-pom is super cute. And you guys, this is super easy. So I use about maybe, I think this is a little too long. So about maybe 12-13 inches of crepe paper. And you want to grab your paper. You want to fold it in half like that, and then you're going to fold it again, and you should have that. You're going to fold it again, and then this is what you should have. I cut off a little bit off the top, about that much, and then I'm left with this. And then you can use your fringe scissors. I'm just going to cut it with my regular scissors. I think, sorry guys, I got cut off. I got a phone call, but I used my regular scissors and I kind of trimmed it up like that. And now what you want to do is you want to open it up, and you should have something that looks like this. I'm going to move these over, and then what I do is I lay my strip out on my desk. Oops. I grab my straw piece. I usually put the kind of like the cut side. You can see that, the little cut side. I put that towards the inside so that the top of the broom. Oh, stumbling my words, you guys. The top is nice and clean, a clean cut. So this is actually the wrong way. So we're gonna do that. Add a little bit of hot glue to the tip of the broomstick, just to kind of stick down the first little layer, as you can see. And then I place that down, and then I just start rolling. And then like every few like little rolls, I add a little bit more glue. Just like that. And then you just keep going. Keep going. And then when I get to another little piece right here, add more glue. Super easy, you guys. You see the glue? Keep going. Keep going. And then add some more. And just keep going. And you add some more glue. So basically you're just going to keep doing that until your strip basically ends. And then right at the end right here, I add some more glue. So like that. And then just be careful that you don't burn yourself. And you puff up your little broom. And look at that, you guys. And then you can add your little bow. Well, I'm gonna add my little pom-pom to the top, just because I like the way that looks. So I just add some glue there. Add my little pom-pom to the top. And this is what we have so far. Excuse me. And now I'm gonna get out of my stash a purple bow to place right there. I'm gonna add some glue to the bow, and I'm gonna place it right here. You can either just put it on the straw, or sometimes I add it to the actual broom itself. See that, you guys? How easy and quick. You can make it as fluffy as you want. You can completely fluff it up. But yeah, you guys, that is my quick little broom tutorial, little PASTELOWEEN broom tutorial. Let me know down below if you guys are gonna try it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.